Welcome to the loudest ever drag race on Carwow. So we've got a Porsche 911 GT3, we've got a Ferrari 812 Superfast, we've got a Lamborghini Revuelto and a Lamborghini Aventador SV, and they've all been fitted with Gintani exhaust, and we've had to come to this special location which has no noise restrictions because these things are just so loud, as you're about to find out as we race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. The Lamborghini Aventador SV has a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12, 750 horsepower, 690 Nm of torque, all-wheel drive and a 7-speed robotised manual gearbox with launch control. It weighs around 1,600 kilograms and costs from £238,000 back in 2015. The Lamborghini Revuelto has a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 plus a hybrid system with 3 electric motors. Combined you get 1,015 horsepower, 1,062 Nm of torque, all-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs in at under 1,900 kilograms and costs from around £447,000. The Ferrari 812 Superfast has a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12, 800 horsepower, 718 Nm of torque, rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs around 1,600 kilograms and costs from £253,000 in 2017. The Porsche 911 GT3 has a 4 litre naturally aspirated flat 6, 510 horsepower, 470 Nm of torque, is rear-wheel drive and has a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,400 kilograms and costs from £146,000. Now before we get into the racing, we are going to find out which of these cars is loudest when you rev them at a standstill. So I'm going to rev up my Aventador. We've got Rory holding a sound meter just behind me. I'm going to give it some revs. Valves are open on my Gintani exhaust. Oh, by the way, thanks to GV Performance and Ollie for sorting this race out for us, but here we go. It's pretty loud. Let's find out how many decibels that was. Rory! Peak decibels, 125.7. Let's find out how loud that is. I'm going to ask ChatGPT. 125.7 is a jet engine or a live rock concert next to the speakers. It's very loud then. It's basically at the threshold of pain, meaning that without hearing protection, even short exposure can be dangerous. Well done, Gintani. You've created a dangerous exhaust. Now let's see if any of the other cars are louder. So hey Tommy, do you think that your Revuelto is going to be louder than this?
I don't think so.
Let's do the test. I could actually see the blast from your exhaust blowing the little blooming mic, Fluffy. Let's find out how many decibels.
So that was 129.7 decibels.
That's louder than this. Now let's move on to the next car. So we've got Sam, you've got another V12. Go for it. Oh, the bangs on that might take it over Tommy's score. 129.5. Woohoo! Right, final one. Down on cylinders, down on capacity. It's a Porsche GT3. It's got a soft limiter, hasn't it? That's not going to have helped.
125.7.
Wow, so the Revuelto and the Ferrari are pretty much identical, and then this and the Porsche are pretty much identical. What we're going to do later though is see how loud they are at full speed, because we're going to measure the sound again as they rattle across the quarter mile mark. For now though, let's get on with this drag race.
Wheel spin. Oh my God.
That's suspicious timing, good God. was loud and brutal. The Revuelto was way ahead, Tommy.
It was slipping and sliding all the way up to like 120 or something. Yeah, that was insane.
I guess the old Ferrari struggled off that line a little bit there, Sam.
I got a little bit of wheel spin. When you have everything fully off, it's useless. I'm in race mode, it's okay, but it's just spinning up a lot. But I did pull past Yanni in the end, bless him.
That's the thing about the Porsche. Rear engine, gets decent traction. How was it? Was it all right, Yanni?
Honestly, terrible. I don't remember sitting in a Porsche before and having that much difficulty getting off the line. Really, really poor.
Do you want to have another go, Sam and Yanni?
Absolutely.
Why is it sideways off the line?
Woohoo! Come on, girl!
Any ideas where the Porsche is?
I think it's having a sulky sulk.
I guess that means we have to do it one more time. Are you just upset because you're not in a Lamborghini?
Launch came on, took my foot off the brake, I just sat there and I'm like, what?
One last go.
It's horrible, I hate this.
It's horrible. It's a Porsche GT3.
Horrible.
Bad workman blames his tools. I don't know about you. I've got a bit of a headache. I don't know if it's just the way this launch is.
I'm actually fine. It's just a bit squirrely.
An unbelievable headache, and the smell of fuel, whatever's going on there, that's not helping.
Let's give it one last go. Come on, Yanni, let's see if you can make your car launch.
And I have got a headache.
We've all got headaches from these exhausts. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
That was brilliant, that was.
This is too fast.
Oh, that Ferrari's close. Come on! Ferrari's coming. Oh, hell no! That was some race, that was, mate. Oh, I can't believe your car is rear-wheel drive. I think you had me on the line.
I mean, I had opposite lock on for at least 400 meters, but it was still good.
Revuelto, I mean, that shows your progress, doesn't it, really?
Off the line, this is just like perfect. I feel like it's faster than the first time you raced it as well. I'm not sure if that's the exhaust or just the car's bedded in.
I think it's just the exhaust. But speaking of which, I've got a massive headache. Yanni, is that car giving you a headache, or did it launch that time?
Well, it launched because I got off the line, but just traction's terrible. It's too loud, just not enjoying myself whatsoever. And the fact there's two Lambos in this race and I'm not in either of them, I'm not even happy about that. Boring.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Revuelto won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.1 seconds. The 812 took 10.8 seconds, the Aventador SV took 10.9 seconds, and the 911 GT3 was last with a time of 11.7 seconds. If you're changing your car, then you've got to check out Carwow, because there's nothing quite like knowing that you're getting a great price, both when selling your old car and finding a new one. Carwow makes all the stuff that's hard work about car changing, like the haggling, the no-shows, and the nasty surprises, a thing of the past, life-changing. Now, if you want to go to Carwow right now, I'll put a link in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Alternatively, you can click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen now, or scan the QR code on screen using your mobile phone to go directly there. Car change Carwow. Now we're going to do another race. Once again over a quarter mile, but also over the half mile as well. And we're going to roll into it from like about 10 mile an hour in first gear. Now before we do that, if you want a car that launches really quick but don't quite have the money for one of these, then click on the pop-out button up there or follow the QR code on screen or the link in the description, because I found a good deal on a car through Carwow that's super quick on the launch. There's also a great offer on. Go find out what that car is and the offer. Let's go everybody, I'll lead this in.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Oh, I don't know what happened there.
Go on, Revuelto. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Ah, look at the Revuelto go! What happened, Tom?
I had very slushy gear changes. I think the car's too hot.
Were you happy with your run there or not, Tommy?
Can we do another one? Because I was changing gear and it was just going like...
3, 2, 1.
That's better.
That's better for the Revuelto. That was better for the Revuelto, wasn't it, Tommy?
Yeah, that was much better that time. The gear shifts were on point, apart from I had to short shift the first gear because I was just spinning.
Have you got an issue with your cat, Sam?
Yeah, my Casper the friendly cat spooked me, but it's gone off, so it'll probably do it once more now.
I think we'll leave it there. And Yanni, I think you got confused by the fact, yet again, Tommy like roasted away and then had to drop back.
Exactly. It looked like we come to a stop. And I was like, hold on a minute. And I saw that. I'm just like, oh, for God's sake, I'll just come in behind. I was going to lose anyways. It didn't matter.
Okay, let's just leave that one there. Right, now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in third gear. 3, 2, 1, go. That Revuelto is gone. This took ages to wind itself up. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yanni, you were like beating me for most of that. What happened?
I don't know. I thought it was something you'd done wrong because this was just normal as every race.
Oh, odd. And that 812 just shot off. It was almost like you were in second gear, Sam.
Is that a question or a statement?
It was a statement. It was almost like you were in second gear, but you weren't because you're a pro driver. You never get things wrong, ever in your life.
Correct. And it's a third gear Superfast, so it wins.
Yep. Full emergency stop from 100 miles an hour. Car that stops in the shortest distance wins. Rather watch another very loud drag race, click on the pop-out button up there, follow the link in the description below. Or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for the brake test and then the final sound check, which will blow your mind.
Welcome to the party, Porsche.
Oh, Tommy, Aventador braked better than the Revuelto. but not quite as good as the Porsche and the Ferrari one. Sam, did you shift down?
No.
Bullshit. Anyway, final challenge, the ultimate sound check of the quarter mile. Let's do it. Okay, how loud was that, Rory?
106.3 decibels.
I think I was at a gear change, which was annoying. Aventador is in the lead at the moment. Next car is the Ferrari. Oh, Ferrari was the loudest so far. Finally then, the Porsche.
Say the Ferrari is the winner.
Way, well done, Ferrari. Listen, thanks to GV Performance, Gintani and Ollie for sorting this race out for us. Really appreciate it. Now, if you want to see how these cars' quarter mile times compare to everything else we've ever drag race, then just click on the Carwow logo to check out the Carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.